the voice? Was it the fire burning in me?
What's up everybody, welcome back to another honest review. Today we are gonna talk about this Ulefone Armor 28 Pro, a rugged powerhouse built to handle extreme conditions without sacrificing performance. Okay, this time there is no thermal sensor like its Ultra sibling, but this device brings plenty to the table for those who value durability and flagship level performance. Moreover, it comes with a very good value for money proposition. Well, before I start the video, one request: if you end up liking this video, then please don't forget to click on the like button and please subscribe to this channel. Support honest content.
I wanna know what nobody knows. I wanna go where nobody goes. I lost my way, but I found my fighter's destiny. I don't wanna look back now, 'cause I know that I don't need your love. I won't let you take me down, 'cause lately I've been
Kicking things off with the design, because first impression matters, even for rugged phones. The Armor 28 Pro combines industrial toughness with a modern aesthetic. Certified IP68, IP69K and military standard 810H, it's engineered to survive water, dust, drops and harsh environments. The 1.04-inch AMOLED rear display adds function and flair. This phone is built for real-world use with practical features like the U-Smart Expansion Connector 2.0, customizable button, dedicated camera shutter, USB-C port, 3.5mm headphone jack, and IR blaster. Well, for appearance and features, Ulefone Armor 28 Pro will get 9 out of 10. Yeah, it's a rugged phone, but it still needs a great display, right? Yeah. Okay, let's check the display performance first. The 6.67-inch AMOLED FHD Plus screen features a smooth 120Hz refresh rate, 10-bit color depth, and a standout 2200 nits peak brightness for clear visibility in any lighting. With a 1080 by 2400 resolution and 395 pixel per inch density, visuals are sharp and detailed. Whether watching videos, browsing photos, or gaming, the display delivers vibrant colors, deep blacks, and excellent contrast. Smooth scrolling and responsive touch performance make everyday interactions feel fast and premium, even on a device built for toughness. So definitely I'm gonna give this display panel 10 out of 10. Oh, okay. For quick interactions without unlocking the phone, the 1.04-inch AMOLED rear display steps in. It handles notifications, music controls, and selfie previews. With 340 by 340 resolution and 600 nits brightness, it remains clear and useful, even when working in bright or changing light conditions. Audio performance is straightforward but effective. The device features a 2-watt loudspeaker that delivers clear and loud sound for calls, media, or navigation. The loudspeaker gets the job done, especially in outdoor or noisy environments where volume and clarity matter most.
It is better with a itty bitty lighter, and she might just come for you. Should always sleep with one eye open. You better keep in mind to always.
Performance is where rugged meets responsive. Powered by the MediaTek Dimensity 7300 with 16GB LPDDR5 RAM and 512GB UFS 3.1 storage, it handles multitasking with ease. Storage expansion up to 2TB adds flexibility. In benchmarks, it scored 747,000 on Antutu, reflecting solid performance for daily tasks, media, and more demanding workloads. But can we play games on this Ulefone Armor 28 Pro? Okay. Gaming performance is more than decent for a rugged device. Powered by the Dimensity 7300 and paired with a responsive 120Hz AMOLED display, the Armor 28 Pro handles popular games like Call of Duty Mobile and Genshin Impact smoothly at medium to high settings. Touch response is accurate and frame rates remain stable during extended sessions. The device's efficient thermal management prevents overheating, ensuring consistent performance without throttling. While it's not built as a gaming phone, it delivers a reliable and enjoyable gaming experience when it's time to unwind. Versatility continues with a camera system built for every scenario. The 50 megapixel Sony IMX989 main sensor captures detailed, vibrant shots. The 64 megapixel night vision camera with infrared LEDs extends visibility into complete darkness, ideal for outdoor or industrial use.
I wanna go where nobody goes.
A 50 megapixel ultra wide lens covers landscapes and group shots, while the 50 megapixel front camera ensures clear selfies and video calls. Video recording supports 4K, delivering sharp footage for content creators or field documentation, whether in daylight, low light, or no light. This camera setup is ready to deliver the best.
Was it the voice? Was it the fire burning in me? All of the noise turned into choirs of harmony. Left me with the pieces of forever that you broke. But since you left me alone, I've been high. I've been high. Lately, I've been
Okay, no rugged phone is complete without a serious battery life. The massive 10,600 mAh battery offers up to 576 hours standby and fast 120 watt wired charging. 50 watt wireless charging adds flexibility, while 5 watt reverse wireless charging powers other devices when needed, keeping everything running no matter where. Okay, a smooth software experience ties everything together. Running Android 14 with an update to Android 15 by late 2025, it stays current. AI features, optimized performance, and photos. Security includes a fast side mounted fingerprint scanner and 2D face unlock for quick hands free access, combining convenience with reliability. Okay, that wraps up the Ulefone Armor 28 Pro, a rugged smartphone that balances toughness with flagship level performance. Built for extreme conditions, but packed with modern features, strong performance, and excellent battery life. In a world of fragile flagships, this is a reliable alternative. I have left a link to this Ulefone Armor 28 Pro in the description box. Go ahead, check this phone. But before that, if you have enjoyed this video, then please don't forget to click on the like button and please subscribe to this channel. Support honest content.